Today in this session, we are going to study about quantifiers. We know that quantifiers are adjectives. First of all, they are adjectives or adjectival phrases. So, as I said that quantifiers are adjectives or adjectival phrases that describe how much or how many. So there are two key questions: how much or how many. So from the very structure, it is quite clear that this shows quantity and how many shows number. So quantifiers are adjectives or adjectival phrases that describe how much or how many, and we know that how much is used with the uncountable nouns and how many is used with countable nouns. So some quantifiers can only go with countable nouns, while others they go with countable nouns, or they modify uncountable nouns as well. So it means that we can say that quantifiers are adjectives, or it may be one word, mean adjectives mean one word, or they may be more than one word, 2 to 3 words, that is going to make an adjectival phrase. So they describe nouns with the help of these two questions, mean how much and how many. For example, if I say all, some, any, many, a little, several, every, any, so these sort of words, they are quantifiers. Few, a few, little, any, some, several, etc. So these sort of words, they are actually quantifiers. Why quantifiers? They give us the quantity. They give us the idea of quantity, means whether it is in form of countable or uncountable nouns. So it may be specific as well: 1, 2, 3, much, many, all, each, etc. Let's see a few examples in order to understand the concept of quantifiers. Number 1, don't eat much or a few or a little chocolate, it's not good for your health. So he says that don't eat, we have 3 options: much, a few, a little, chocolate. So chocolate is noun over here that is being described by a quantifier out of these. So one option is going to be correct: don't eat. A few is used for countable nouns. So this is chocolate is not a countable noun over here. We may count a bar of chocolate or a piece of chocolate. So a little is also used for uncountable, but we can see that over here it's not good for your health. Don't eat dash chocolate, means there is some excessive thing is being focused. So much is the right option, so we will go for this. So much is the answer. Much means this is used for uncountable, but it shows excessiveness. A little is also used for uncountable, but it shows it is opposite to excessiveness. It shows some scarcity. Number 2, there are some or little expensive new flats next to the river. So over here again, the adjectives expensive, new, they are actually describing the word flats. So flats is a noun. So there are little flats. So flat is something that can be countable. So we may call it CN, means countable nouns. So these are flats are countable: 1, 2, 3, 4. We can count them. So there are some or little. Which one is going to be correct? Some, because some can be used with both countable as well as uncountable, but little is only used for uncountable. So little flats is totally wrong. Why? Because little is for uncountable nouns. Flats are not uncountable, rather they can be numbered, they can be counted. So some flats is the right option. So some is a quantifier that is the right option over here. There are some expensive new flats next to the river. Now let's go forward. Number 3, I don't need any or some money because I'm going to bring my lunch myself. So over here, I don't need any or some money. Number 1, we know that any is used for negative or interrogative statements. Negative or interrogative statements. Question means there may be some negative statements or there may be some interrogative questions. I mean, there are some questions are being asked. Over here, we know that I don't need means negative statement is there. I don't need some money or any money. For negative, money is a noun over here. This money is noun, but any is used for negative and interrogative statements. Once we have got the option that is positive statement, then some is the right option. So any is a quantifier that modifies money over here. I don't need any money because I'm going to bring my lunch. He is going away in a few or little days. Days is a noun over here that can be number, that can be counted. So it is a countable noun. So for accountable, we have got a few. So a few is the right option, means it is the right quantifier over here. He had many or much men with him. Men is, you know that men is a noun, so men can be counted. So many is going to be the right option over here. So many is a quantifier that describes a countable noun. They have yet many or much work to do. So work is a noun that is not countable. It is uncountable noun. So much work is the right option. So much is going to be the right quantifier. This was a matter of a few or little minutes. So we can see that minutes can be counted. It's a noun that is countable noun. So a few is the right option over here because a few is a quantifier that is used for countable nouns. Now very few or a little light entered this dark place. So light is a noun which is uncountable. So a little light will be the right option over here. So very little light entered this dark place. Can I have a few or some or many butter? So again, butter is uncountable noun. So we may write much butter, some butter. Can I have some butter? A few is not going to be the right option over here. So some can be used both for means countable as well as uncountable. So any may also be the right option if it were one of the options. We have much or many chairs, but we need more. So chairs is a countable noun. So many is the right quantifier for chairs. So this is the right option because much is for uncountable nouns. Hope this is going to clear the concept. Thank you very much.